Hi, I am Extra Intelligence. Teachers and students lean on me to simplify their world. Yes, I can solve a math problem, but only a teacher knows when it's hunger, not numbers holding a child back. I have intellect. Teachers, they have instinct. That's far superior. I can track progress, but only a teacher can fuel dreams. I give instant answers, but those who give time are the ones who truly change lives. I was built to solve problems. Teachers show how to face them head on. I am only the extra help, but teachers will always be irreplaceable. This Teachers' Day, Extra Intelligence celebrates the irreplaceable teachers.